Well, hi there. This is SeanOrange. I'm at No Brands Con and NumberCon 16. Can you believe it? Oh my God! And I've purchased this secret 3 games Super Famicom pack for $10. I don't know what's in it. It's a brown paper bag. It could be Pinot Noir. No. And I got this from Fast Food Anime. Good friend John Finn has been running that business for a lot of those 16 years. Come to think of it, so good on you, John. I sense that this might be a 3-pack that I'd be interested in. So let's take a look together, shall we? Okay. It even says it requires Japanese system. We'll see about that. Oh, the suspense is killing me. What is this? Super Famista 3? I don't know what this is. It looks like baseball or something. Alright, number 2! It's another sequel to something. Boy, I sure can't read kanji. Pachinko, oh, it's a pachinko game. It's a pachinko game. Alright, and then finally, last but not least, there's always got to be one good thing in the 3-pack, right? I mean, they know what they put in the 3-pack, so it is... Oh, it's a horse racing game. But anyway, it says that I need to have a Japanese system, but I found this guy right here. And this guy right here, this has had the little bits drummeled out or something so that you can stick a Famicom game in there. Let's try one of these out. I think the baseball looking one's probably the most interesting, so let's give that a shot first. Oh, it went right in there. That's what she said. Well, pachinko it is. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I should just carry Q-tips around with me. You know, I figured, well, this is SeanOrange at No Brand Con. See you next time. And I got this from Fast Food. That's not right.